Section 7, number 1, you're going to determine the scale factor of the dilation. Then you're going to classify what type of dilation it is. So from here, we are going from the new, which is in black here, which is the smaller one. So this is the old. And what is in green, do you see how it's J prime, K prime, and L prime? That is the new here. All right. So the scale factor of K is governed by new divided by the old. So all we have to do is grab a length of it. All right. So it's really hard to get the length here because you see how it's all diagonal. However, take a look at this. Do you see how it goes up one across one here? All right. Okay. So it goes up one across one here. So this is like up one across one. But notice the new one, right, which is in green, it went up two across two, right? So you can just use that to help you. So the new was 2 and the old was 1. So that's the scale factor. The K is 2. This is considered to be a enlargement. Okay? All right? This trick works all the time. Okay? Next, let's see the original, which is MNOP. This is the old. And the new one, which is in green. Okay? All right, so let's take a look at the old, okay? K value is new divided by old. All right, so let's get the old first. I'm going to go to that N value here. So it goes from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the N was 6 units away. The new one, it starts from 0, and you go to the new N prime. 1, 2, 2. Okay? 2 over 6, it is 1/3. That is the scale factor. This is considered to be a reduction because it got smaller. Let's do C. K is equal to new over old. All right. So let's see. Let's go to this is the old because it's PMNO, and the new one, it is in green. So the old was, do you see right here, 1 unit away, and the new one is 1, 2, 3 away. All right, and that is that K value. So the new was 3 and the old was 1. K value is 3. This is considered to be an enlargement. All right, so let's double check one more time. A, the image got bigger, enlargement. K value is bigger than 1. It was 2. B, the shape got smaller. It is a reduction. The K value is less than 1. The value is K 1/3. And C, the image got larger. So the K value is greater than 1. It is considered to be enlargement with K equals to 3.